Honest, the real journey is just beginning. Now comes the hustle, and here is the design secret that no one tells you. And dealing with lot of things. Course does not magically land you clients. Hey design dreamers, welcome back to Design by Misha, a YouTube channel that gives you a lot of ideas and inspiration. You just conquered your interior design course? Congratulations! But let's be honest, the real journey is just beginning. So आज हम बात करने वाले हैं about the struggles you might not have anticipated and the roadmap to become a recognized and successful interior designer. अच्छा, जब हमें वो सर्टिफिकेट मिलता है ना, इज़ अ ह्यूज अकम्पलिशमेंट, बट मैं आपको बता दूं कि वो सिर्फ एक फर्स्ट स्टेप है टुवर्ड्स दिस प्रोफेशन. Let me tell you, the struggle is real. You might face challenges finding clients, navigating budgets, and dealing with lot of things. And we all have been there. But fear not, design warriors. I am here to equip you with a success blueprint. Step number one will be always build your brand identity first. So if I ask you, who are you as designer? What's your signature style? Then please create a strong brand identity that reflects your personality and design philosophy. Because when you develop a portfolio or website showcasing your best work and you target your ideal clients, you will actually get the result. And remember, first impressions matter. Step 2 is network like crazy. I always tell people, get out there and connect. You should attend industry events, you should join online design communities, and you should collaborate with other professionals. Because networking isn't just about getting clients, it's actually about building relationships and learning from others. Social media is your design playground. So you should showcase your projects, you can share the behind the scene glimpses and offer design tips and create engaging content that attracts your dream clients and establish you as a design authority. Step number 4, which I would recommend you to deliver exceptional service, because your reputation is everything. Go above and beyond for your clients. Listen to their needs, communicate effectively, and exceed their expectation. Because happy clients lead to referrals and repeat business, and which is the foundation of successful design career. Step number 5 is keep learning and evolving. And for that, you should be updated with current design trends, because the design world is constantly evolving. You should learn new skills, you should embrace new trends, you should read design blogs, you should attend workshops and invest in your continued professional development. My friend, a successful designer is a lifelong learner. So the journey from graduate to successful designer may have its struggle, but with the right mindset and these actionable steps, you will be well on your way to carving your design dream into reality. all for this video. Leave a comment below with your biggest post-course concern and let's chat about it. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more design career advice and inspiration. Remember, the design world needs your unique talent. So get out there and make it your own.